In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see hidden posts on Reddit. If you've ever hidden a post on Reddit and later wanted to find it again, it's actually very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll also explain what's happening on screen so you can easily follow along, even if you're new to Reddit. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. You won't be able to access your hidden posts if you're not signed in because hidden posts are tied to your personal profile. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the Reddit page or app. There, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your device and your settings, this might be your avatar image, a little icon with your initial, or a generic profile symbol. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do this, a small menu will appear. This menu gives you quick access to things like your profile, settings, and other account-related options. From this menu, you want to choose the option that says View Profile. Click on View Profile to open your personal Reddit profile page. Your profile page is where Reddit organizes all of your activity in one place. You'll see different sections or tabs that might include posts, comments, saved items, and more. Among these options, there will be a section labeled Hidden. This is where Reddit keeps track of all the posts you've chosen to hide while browsing. Now, click on the Hidden tab. Once you do, Reddit will display a list of all the posts you've previously hidden. You can scroll through this list to review everything. From here, depending on the current Reddit interface, you may be able to unhide posts if you change your mind, or simply revisit content you didn't want to see in your main feed at the time. That's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon in the top right corner, choosing View Profile, and then selecting the Hidden section, you can quickly see and manage all of your hidden posts on Reddit. This is a handy way to keep your feed clean while still having the option to go back and find things later.